Okay, here we are. It's Friday morning and it snowed yesterday like 10 inches in Dallas, a record-breaking snow. But what's really important is there's Pete. And guess what? Pete got a phone call from Last Chance.
I'm Last Chance.
Oh,
okay.
Second Chance. Sorry, excuse me.
Second Chance.
Second Chance just happened to call. And guess what, Bruno?
What?
Last Chance Pete is gonna run to his rescue once
Jesus.
again.
Hey, we gotta run over to Second Chance Jr.'s house because what happened is carport fell on his cars due to the heavy snow. But we're also got another little problem with Junior.
What's that?
His insurance lapsed on his house insurance.
Oh, wonderful.
Now, is that stupid or what?
That's a pretty bad deal.
I cannot believe that he let his house insurance lapse. So now we're gonna see if the car insurance is gonna pay for this, see? We got two cars. We got the Corvette, we got Junior's brand new work truck that's been completely crushed by, of course, the snow from Dallas. It looks like your snowman just got back from Gold's Gym, bud. Is that? Oh, fuck. Did you see that? Fucking the snowman was like this.
Yeah.
Well, here we are in the beautiful, lovely city of, okay, here's a little kid right here. Look at it, all naked snowman. How's your snowman going, buddy? You make a composa, amigo. You make snowman today? Where?
Oh, there he is.
Oh, there he is over there. All right. Where's Junior's garage port? That's what we need to find. See, I think we passed Junior's house.
Well, there's a
Okay, is that his house? That's not his house. Okay, let's go. He's on the next street.
There's a vent carport. Trees,
Let's see
limbs down.
We got Bruno, he wants to go out. Oh my gosh, look at this. We're in the deep heart of Texas here. We're in Dallas, Texas, Irving, Texas. The big suburb, beautiful suburb of Irving, Texas. Right here. Okay, hold on. Look for a down.
There's another.
Okay, hold on. Here we go. Here's the carport that screwed us up. Oh my God, look at the little snowman with the hat. Okay, there's another one.
Uh-oh.
Okay,
there
hold on.
It is.
I think this is Second Chance's house. We got us a wrecked car here. Oh yes, this is it. Wow. Okay, let's get our trusty, let's get that out. Get our trusty camera out. Hey, Bruno. Bruno. That's it. Let me get a picture of my little buddy. He's so cute. Bruno, where you at? What we got is some slop here, some slush, see? What's up, bud? Bad news, huh? You know what the real bad news is? Hosefuck, come on over here, man. You know what the real bad news is? Can you get that camera up here, please? Oh, yes, my friend. You know what really bad news is, the whole situation? You lapsed on your house insurance. That was real fucking good, bud. What we got here, buddy? Camera out. So we got your dad's truck. You have insurance, bud. Hey, Manny. Somebody's not in a good mood today because they lapsed on their house insurance. You're not supposed to do that, bud. Today off because of snow. Snow day. Kind of like school. What happened to your dad, dude? Not really much. Oh, your dad's in crap shit. Oh my God. Oh. No, your dad's truck is alright. How you gonna get this thing off of here, dude? Wow. Hey, where's your dad at, bud? Post 5.
I don't know, Pete.
I think if all three of us lift that up, what we got to do is one guy's got to be over there with the stick to go like this. And then once we get it up, you got to work
Well, I
fast.
think it needs to be more like a metal pole
Go
instead
ahead
of
and
a
untie that
stick.
so we can pull it right off, dude.
Have to get my car keys, please. They're hanging by the door.
And here's one. That's all
There.
it is.
Is that a stick or is it metal?
Okay. Dude, listen to me. Hostify's gonna get his keys. Lift this thing up. He's gonna drive his car out.
You're gonna stick that at?
We're gonna put it in that back corner.
Why don't you
over there.
drive your truck out first, Junior?
Yeah.
Yeah, drive your truck out first, bud, while we hold it.
That way.
Lorenzo, go get your,
Well, that main beam is resting on my dad's truck. If it's not there, then it's just gonna fall down completely.
that's right. That's why we need to get Hostify.
Everybody's worried about their own car. I want my car out first. No, my truck goes out first.
But their own crap.
Almost got her.
You're gonna have to shovel all that snow off before we do anything. You got any more shovels?
Yeah, they're all at Jimmy's house.
You got a shovel, buddy? No shovel and all of nothing.
I could call the guys from the city. They can come down here and give me some.
What, Lorenzo? Soaking wet now, bud. Look at you, Bruno. You're soaking wet. He's cold, too. He's freezing cold. Oh, okay. He needs one. He's cold. Ooh, that's getting ready to fall. Look at it up there. Get up under there, buddy. You're gonna get my camera all wet.
Watch out, Pete. Junior. Behind you, Pete. I'm talking about Junior.
Bro, Junior. Come on, bud. Okay, here we go. We got some neighbors that are actually coming over to help us. So let's see. Okay. Okay. Brett, are you gonna get up there, Junior, and help them out?
Hi.
Hey, Richo.
He's braced. Oh, no.
Okay, Hostify. Hey, Junior, I think we're all right now.
Leave it like that.
I think all the weight's gonna be over here, dude.
Well, they might as well get it all off while they're up there.
Man, it's gonna take them another 30 minutes, baby. The way they're going. Hey, I wouldn't be bouncing around over there. That whole thing's moving. I think that's enough. I'm serious. If that thing falls, you guys are gonna get hurt, bud. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Don't get in the car yet, bud. Okay, where's you got the jack under there? All right, come on. Everybody come over here. Everybody come over here, Junior. Come on. Well, at least you didn't get no rain on your car, Hostify, with your brand new car cover. That worked.
He's not finding that funny.
Hostify's the only one that's really serious. Junior, he doesn't care. Easy, bro, easy. Hurry up before the jack falls on the glass. Well, Hostify actually got lucky. There ain't no damage to your car except the back glass, dude.
No, it's dented. This thing's
No, it ain't.
dented. Yeah, it
No,
is.
it's like that many.
Oh, it's supposed to be.
Yeah,
No.
see how there's the dent inside the plexiglass too?
Oh, okay.
The only problem with Hostify's car is,
Glass.
Dude, oh no.
nothing, dude. You got lucky. So you might not have